Attention spans are going down, so I will intertween. So, ladies and gentlemen, whenever you have an addition or subtraction problem, this is very important because these next two problems, these are what students get confused all the time. All right, so I really do want to make sure that I spend enough time going over this, and therefore also that people like Amir are watching to see so they don't make the mistake, because this is where I see the most mistakes coming from students. First of all, ladies and gentlemen, you see that we are trying to combine these, right? We're actually trying to subtract them. So we're trying to make them into one expression. So to do that, you guys can see that these have unlike denominators. Now, the easiest way to find common denominators is to multiply your denominators. However, if you see an opportunity to factor, I would recommend you go ahead and factor. And if you guys notice here, anytime you see an expression with two terms, always look to either factoring out the GCF or look for a difference of two squares. I can't factor out a common term of x squared minus 4. However, I can factor this to x minus 2 times x plus 2 minus 7 over x minus 2. Does everybody see that? Now you guys can see that x minus 2 is the same for both of them. So when I want to combine these, I got to find my LCD. Well, the LCD includes x minus 2, but for them to both be the same also has to include x plus 2. OK? So now to combine these, what I need to do is I need them to be the same denominator. So I need to change this, or I need to multiply this so it's x minus 2 times x plus 2. So I'm going to multiply by x plus 2. And when we're getting common denominators, whatever I multiply in my denominator, I have to multiply in my numerator. OK? So again, the purpose of this, guys, is to combine these into one. All right? So I now can apply distributive property. Please note that that's a negative 7. So I have 5 over x minus 2 times x plus 2 plus a negative 7x minus 14 all over x minus 2 times x plus 2. What I did, guys, is I changed the subtraction to addition problem. You guys can all do that, right? 3 minus 4 is the same thing as 3 plus negative 4. Agreed? So all I did was I made this positive and made that negative to distribute. Now, you guys can see that these have the same denominator. Since they have the same denominator, I keep the common denominator, and I add my top terms. So therefore, this becomes a negative 7x. 5 minus 14 is negative 9, all over x minus 2 times x plus 2. And again, I'm not going to simplify it because we're short on time, but you guys should know that we need to make sure that we can distribute them. OK, Jamie? So therefore, x cannot equal positive 2 and negative 2.